1-3-1 leading ang Born to Win PH4X Bulls. Beautiful shot by Red. Directo.
Keeping the Pearly Whites at the baseline, at pag nasa kitchen na sila, kinokontrol nila yung pace with resets. Very good exchange. Yeah, kasi Felix yung yung chini-cheer niya kanina. Ayun, mali pala yung tinitingnan natin. Ano ba naman tong back to the ball game. A great cross court nila. So our Pearly White team will need to figure out a way how to cover that middle.
So far partner, ang daming supporters ng Dentacare Born to Win PH.
Ako dito sa pwesto ko, hindi ko ma-imagine makalaban to mga to. Kita nyo naman yung mga gagaling na to mga to. Red with an awesome smash. Bag shot by Cortez. And accidents do happen, so it's important to be safe and defend yourself properly. Players of Dentacare Pearly Whites, if they will take advantage of this, or do they just keep playing as if walang nangyari?
Nice shot para kay Red Directo.
Yeah.
Grabe naman ang overhead yun.
Doon ka consistent sa overdriving. Joria all with another great drop ng frustration, controlled frustration. Each defense, each hit with a meaning. Maling ginagalit ang mga Bulls.
Another one! Grabe naman talaga si Red Directo.
And the game ends with intentions 11-2.